So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if you are not able to set Face ID, or you can say Face Unlock on your laptop. Now let me first quickly show you here. When I go to the sign in options right there, you'll notice if I go to facial recognition, it says we couldn't find a camera compatible with Windows Hello. Or if any issue you are facing, you simply need to say come back again home, and here in the find the settings option, search for optional feature. Let me quickly search for optional right there. Now here you have to click on this option of view features. Now again give it all permissions, and here simply search for facial recognition. Here you can see you simply need to select it and download it on your laptop, or if you are not able to find it in this list, simply go to this option of see available features, and here you'll find multiple features that are available to download. Now simply download that particular feature. Once you do that, you'll notice that your that particular issue on your laptop will be solved, and now you are easily able to set up facial recognition, that is Windows Hello. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.